I've had people asking me, oh, you should build one, you should build one. Well, maybe. But this is like one of their newest releases.
Newest release.
They've got like quite a few more.
A 1945 plane.
This is like 1937.
There you go.
Does it say 45? Am I wrong? This is like early. You know how you can tell?
Wouldn't know.
Oh, you know how I do know?
It's got
yellow wings.
It's got paper wings.
No, it's actually metal.
Is it?
Dumbass.
What's that paper ribbing?
No. I'll show you. It's like a very Junkers vibe.
Junkers?
Junkers, I'm not sure. They
depends which part of the world you're from.
They're German. Yeah.
They would say Junker for sure.
Junker.
Wouldn't they?
I'm not sure. Probably. But they designed this wing, low aspect wing, with all of the like raised bits. So it's a very Junkers design.
What? So corrugated iron.
It looks like corrugated iron, yeah.
Why would they do that?
I don't know. I wish I did, but I'm not really into the early war stuff. But a lot of these early monoplanes.
I thought you were all early war stuff.
Bullshit.
You wouldn't even know what a jet was.
What's a jet?
Exactly.
Not me. Well, this is a very cool aircraft. It's a TB-1, I think.
TBD.
TBD. Turbo Dick 1 Devastator. The Devastator. So this is a torpedo plane.
Yeah, right.
Let's have a look.
Well, it's not going to look at itself, is it?
It's not going to open itself.
It's not going to open itself, buddy.
Here you go. Here's your corrugated iron.
Get here! Don't bugger around.
There you go.
Tell me what you're thinking.
Tell me, Goose. This is the wing with those raised bits that you were just mentioning. Things. It's got nice riveting. Oh, I'm trying to get it in the... There you go. Nice riveting, as you can see.
I'll be the judge of that. What would you know about riveting?
Only that I've been doing it on most of my aeroplanes. There we go.
It's a riveting performance by you.
Here we have the lower part where the torpedo would go in, and the wheel wells cut out in the shape. Real well. I'm really well.
Oh, that's good.
Don't even need to see that. It's just the plastic parts. Cowlings, you're getting two types of cowlings, nicely molded.
Plastic parts?
Yeah, but it's clear.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, what do you think of that riveting?
I'm not sure. Tell me.
It's good.
Tell me what I don't know.
Well, you don't know that it's good. So I'm going to tell you that it's good, and you can relay that on to the viewers.
Is it going to glue together well, though? Is it all going to be bowed and skew-if?
No, it's going to glue together really nicely.
Really nice.
They've absolutely...
Turned it up a notch?
Turned it up more than one notch. You got your prop here.
Oh, radio engine.
Yes,
it is a radio. A good engine.
Engine. Many engine in my factory.
Rubber tires?
Oh. The one downside to this model.
What?
Rubber.
Why?
You don't need rubber anymore.
Why?
Because you just paint it. It looks better.
No. I like rubber.
Well, you can have your flubber rubber. Looks like we've got paint masks. It went awfully quiet.
Does it or doesn't it?
This, yes, it will. That will be for
by numbers.
Yeah, paint it by numbers. All these numbers correlate to where on the canopy it's going. Beautiful big decal sheet. This is 48 scale, I believe. No, 32.
You wouldn't even know.
32. I do.
It's right down the instructions.
Oh, there you go.
Looking at it.
Photo-etch, getting some nice seat belts, some nice armor panels, gun sights, because it had a crew of two.
A crew of two?
A crew of two.
We can't have a crew of one.
Absolutely. Maybe it's a crew of three. Let's see. Let's see how many seats you get. And you get two schemes.
Sometimes they didn't have seats. They just tucked them underneath.
Kamikaze style. What's this one?
That's a plane.
Usually...
There's a yellow plane.
Well, usually they give you a bit of technical data on the aircraft, but not this one. You're going to have to look it up yourself. But nice colored diagrams, I will say that. TB-1 Devastator.
Cardiograph decals?
Nope. I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Crew of three. Three, as you can see here. You've got a gunner operator.
Threesome.
I love making it go quiet.
Why?
Because it's just so funny. So this is all the paint masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18,
Too
21.
many.
Lots and lots. So
Too
it's
many.
it's good because you don't want to waste your time.
Just use a brush.
No. No.
No?
Oh my God, no.
Why? And then you can just clear it and flat.
A-
It'll all look good.
Flat.
No?
No. Don't listen to this man. Yeah, so crew of 3, you got a gunner, radio operator, and pilot.
Pilot.
Full stop. There
Yeah.
you go. Let's put it back.
So where does it get to on where does it get to on the Kobey? How many Kobeys does it get out of 10 Kobeys?
Like 8?
8 Kobeys.
8. It's pretty good.
8 Kobeys.
Pretty good. I'd like a little bit more information on what the actual plane is.
Well, you could have researched it.
Well, I could, but usually they do that for me. How do you think I got so knowledgeable? All those models I've bought and just read.
Is it?
And just
Don't
put
even
in
build them.
No, not anymore.
No.
Retiree. I'm retired from model building, but here is a good look at the Trumpeter model.
That's fantastic.